Okay, next we are going to look on the features that we have in Infraworks. So there are 4 features that Infraworks offer, which is the first one is conceptual design, context modeling, analysis and simulation, and visualization. Okay, so I'm going to explain one by one of the features starting from the conceptual design. Okay, so with this conceptual design tool, you can quickly sketch 3D features such as roads, graded areas, pavement, and buildings. You also can add details such as structures, vehicles, pupils, bridge, and storm piping using the true engineering methodologies and approach and design it quickly with built-in automation based on design rules. So this is what you can do by conceptual design perspective in Infraworks. The first one is theme palettes. You can use theme palettes to visually classify assets according to their attribute. In Infrawork, there are 3 analysis types, which is, the first one is elevation, as it will change the display based on height. Second one is slope, as it will change the display based on the ground slope or. And lastly is aspect. It will vary the display based on the direction of ground slope. Next is cross-section view. So you can use the cross-section view to inspect super elevation for any cross-section of a selected component road, including road critical station, bridge decks, intersection areas, and turn lane sections. You also can use the profile view panel to review and modify the vertical geometry of a component road in relation to the existing ground surface. Okay, so I'm going to show you a video on how you can work with cross-section in Infraworks. Okay, so by using the component road with super elevation, we can look on both the cross-section design as well as the profile design. As you can see now, we can draw the new road by clicking on one point to another point. With the new road design you have, you can zoom in and take a look at super elevation of this design. By selecting on the road, you can right-click and turn on the show super elevation. And then it will show you all the critical points in that geometry design. If you click one of the slices, it will display the road cross-section for the current road. Sliding the slice up and down, either manually or using the arrow in the profile section view, you can see the road design update as it rolls through the super elevation. If you want to get better feel, you can also begin to look at the volume of the road design. We can use the section editor, as well as how being impacted by changes made to the geometry. Okay, so for you to calculate the cut and fill area in Infraworks, it's very easy. Okay, so to calculate, you can simply press the play button in the lower right of the design panel, and it will give you the cut and fill number. Now, as you make change to your profile, you can see those changes reflected, and you also can see it in the cross-section view. In the cross-section view, you have multiple options on how you want to display and review that road geometry. Okay, so now, if you're adjusting one of the PVI in the profile view, or make changes using the slice slider, you can review and look at the cross-section at different view. So if you notice, in the road cross-section panel, below the cross-sectional view panel, on the right side, there are buttons that you can click and change the view. So this is the paving view. Okay, and then you also can change to earthwork analysis view that show you the cut and fill area.